Sawubona mfundi, ngiyakwamukela ku 21 Day Ndebele Challenge, and this is day 1 of the challenge. So we want to test your Ndebele knowledge. We want to help you get practical with your knowledge. All right. So instead of just teaching you isiNdebele, we are just going to be testing if what you know is correct. All right. So for today, I'm going to give you 10 questions, and we're concentrating on the Ndebele greetings and that initial conversation. All right. So let's see if what you know is correct. So I'll give you 10 questions and they're all multiple choice. So you pick your answers. I encourage you to have a notebook or a paper and a pen where you'll be noting your answers. All right. Let's see how many you get correct. Starting with number 1. How do you say my eye is painful in Ndebele? A. Izinyo lami libuhlungu. B. Isisu sami sibuhlungu. And C. Ilihlo lami libuhlungu. I'll give you a moment to pick your answer. Which one is my eye is painful? So the answer is C. Ilihlo lami libuhlungu. So this is your moment to pronounce this thing properly. Ilihlo lami libuhlungu. Are you saying it after me? All right. Number 2. When greeting 3 people in Ndebele, what do you say? A. Sakubona. B. Salibonani. And C. Linjani. Which one is the greeting for 2 or more people in Ndebele? So the answer is B. Salibonani. Is that what you say? Hopefully, that's what you said. So what's wrong with C. Linjani? With Linjani, it's after you've already said Salibonani. Linjani means how are you to 2 or more people. All right. But initially the greeting itself, Salibonani. Number 3, how do you introduce yourself in Ndebele? A. Mina ngingu dash dash. For example, mina ngingu Bongiwe. B. Wena ungubani. C. Ibizo lami ngu dash dash. Which one is you saying introducing yourself in Ndebele? Right, what is your answer? Both A and C are correct. You can either go with mina ngingu, you put your name there, or you say ibizo lami ngu, my name is, literally. All right, hope you're doing good so far. As we move on to number 4, ngiyathaba ukukwazi is a Ndebele phrase that means what? Does it mean I'm happy to know you, or I'm happy to meet you too, or C, I'm happy to meet you? Which one is ngiyathaba ukukwazi? So the correct answer is A. I am happy to know you. Angithi ukukwazi means to know you. All right. And when you say I'm happy ngesindebele, ngiyathaba. All right. Let's move on to number 5. How do you greet your teacher in Ndebele? A. Salibonani umbalisi. B. Salibonani mbalisi. And C. Yebo umbalisi. Which one are you picking? Because the correct answer is B. Salibonani mbalisi. Most beginners will always say umbalisi. So, but when you are talking to your teacher, you say to him mbalisi. Unjani mbalisi. Wenzani mbalisi. Angithi. And then number 6. How do you respond to the question unjani in Ndebele? Is it A. Yebo. B. Ngiyaphila. And C. Siyaphila. Which one is it? The answer is B. Ngiyaphila. Angithi ngiyaphila. How about siyaphila? Siyaphila is in plural. If someone asks you linjani as a group, then you respond and say siyaphila. But one person, you say ngiyaphila. All right. Number 7. How do you greet one person in Ndebele? One person. Do you say A. Sakubona, B. Salibonani, and C. Linjani? You're greeting one person this time. The answer is what? A. Sakubona. Angithi sakubona. Right, siya number 8 khathesi. One student is called umfundi in Ndebele. How about many students? What is the plural of umfundi? A, izifundi. B, umfundisi. And C, abafundi. What's your answer? The correct answer is C, abafundi. Angithi abafundi for students. We move on to number 9. What's the best reply if you are not well? Meaning if someone asks you unjani and you are not feeling well on that day, what is the answer? A, ngiyabonga. B, ngiyaphila. And C, ngiyagula. What do you say when you're not feeling well? The answer is obviously C, ngiyagula. Say it after me. Ngiyagula. Angithi. Number 10. When parting from a group, what do you say when you're saying goodbye to a group of people ngesindebele? Is it A, lisale kuhle, B, hamba kuhle, or C, sala kuhle? Which one do you say to a group of people? The answer is A, angithi lisale kuhle. And lisale kuhle. So, yep. I want to know how much you scored on this quiz. So let me know in the comments, and let's meet on day 2 tomorrow. We continue to help you get practical with your language. So we're gonna be giving you different activities on each day so that you get handy with your language. You also test yourself to see whether you really know, and you also get to speak these things. Speak these things. That's what's most important. Speaking is in the bed. That's how you learn. That's how you keep improving. So I'll see you in the next lesson, in the next quiz, in the next activity, which is tomorrow. Bye for now.